Okay, welcome to Call of Duty. Jadi sorry, now I'll explain to you about how to make a simple masker. Okay, this is an unused t-shirt, okay? And this is the arm side, yeah. Look at that. This is arm side. Okay, we just cut here, yeah. Cut here, and look at that. And we will cut here in the arm side, yeah. And we cut here, and look at that. Okay, finish. And look at that. This is the cut of the arm side, and we can make as a masker like this. Okay. Okay, like this. Okay. Okay, like this. This is the emergency case for masker. Okay. If you think this video is useful, please share to others and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.